Hello children, in this new chapter 15 area, we are going to see the area of a parallelogram and other figures. So here is an activity given: draw a big enough parallelogram ABCD on a paper as shown in the figure. Draw perpendicular AE on BC. Cut the right angle triangle AEB and place that cut part here like this. So what you have cut this part, you have to place it here. Now you know this becomes AD and this figure becomes a rectangle. Very clear? And what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Draw big enough parallelogram ABCD on a paper as shown in the figure. Draw perpendicular AE and BC. Cut the right angle triangle AEB. Join it with the remaining part of quadrilateral ABCD as shown in the figure. The new figure formed is a rectangle. The rectangle is formed from a parallelogram. So areas of both the figures are equal. Base of parallelogram is one side length of the rectangle and its height is the other side breadth of the rectangle. Here you see, this is the length of the rectangle and this is the breadth of the rectangle. Therefore, area of parallelogram equals to area of rectangle equals to length into breadth equals to, here if you take this figure, base into height, as this length of the rectangles is one and the same. Clear? Opposite sides. So area of parallelogram formula will be base into height, and area of rectangle will be length up to here into height, or this length into height. Now different formulas to calculate. You have already studied, it's a part of revision, and remember these formulas. Area of square, side square. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. Area of right angle triangle, half into product of sides making right angle. Area of triangle, half base into height. Area of parallelogram, base into height. Area of rhombus, half into product of lengths of its diagonals. Area of trapezium, half into sum of the lengths of parallel sides into height. If sides of triangle ABC are given as small alphabet ABC, then by Heron's formula for finding the area of triangle is shown as follows. Area of triangle ABC equals to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where small s denotes the semi-perimeter, that is A plus B plus C upon 2. Sum of all sides upon 2. That is known as semi-perimeter of triangle. Area of circle equals to pi r square. Now one activity is given on page number 105. Draw a circle of radius 28 millimeter, that is 2.8 centimeter. Draw any one triangle and draw a trapezium on the graph paper. Find the area of these figures by counting the number of small squares on the graph paper. Where you will draw? On the graph paper. Verify your answers using the formula for area of these figures. Observe that smaller the squares of graph paper, better is the approximation of area. Solution: children should do this activity on their own. So on graph paper you draw these figures and count. More than half square will be taken as round up. So smaller the squares, it will be much better. Try your best and enjoy the activity. In the next video, we are going to start with the practice set. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Thank you.